People, this is how we get ready for your video. Like, I'm all about the video, like.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
We are back.
Yes,
We're back. We're back. Let's
So,
go, guys. Let's go.
So,
It's another video, guys. It's another video. People, it's another video.
Yeah, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to Bells. So, welcome back to BellsTv. So, in today's video, we are going to do the song challenge that's created by the Hastings family on the YouTube.
Yeah, peeps. Yeah.
So here how the challenge go. We're gonna choose 5 words. Five words. And we have to make up a song on those 5 words.
Yes.
Me I gonna make Billy beat, Billy I gonna make my beat,
Yeah.
and then we make a song.
Yeah, yeah.
So before we get in,
I remember baby. Remember when a DJ.
yeah.
You see me? I when a musician. When I know,
Yeah.
we not going to them grounds there.
Yeah.
You see me?
So
Yeah.
before we get in the video, there are some person we want to shout out. So go ahead.
Yeah. You see me? Them people are really. You can't say them are there. Them are give our channel a push and a strength, and we rate that, so we have to big up them. You see me? The Jones family always on the line going wild. You see me? The word the weathering nurse.
Big
you
up
know
yourself.
what I mean? Yeah, and her chest
Big up
doing
yourself.
her thing.
Big up yourself, girl.
Yeah.
So if me leave out anybody in the next video, I will definitely give a shout out.
Yeah, my babe. Big up the fans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up the fans.
We are gaining the fans. You know.
Fans. So
We are
big up on yourself.
We are come and we are putting in
Yeah.
the
So
work.
guys, don't forget to subscribe. Second, hit the notification bell.
Bing.
Yeah. Third, comment.
Comment, people. What about chatting?
Least but not last, I want you guys to share.
Share.
Yeah.
Share, people.
So let's get into the video.
Let's jump right away.
Whatever.
The first word is what we say? Work.
So you want to go first? I know them say ladies before gentlemen, but more want him go first.
Why me want to go first?
Let's go first, no? You ready?
Go first. Alright, go on. Give me a beat. Here I know. Work me a work and a chicken me a jerk. Work me a work and a chicken me a jerk. When my pose up on the burner come beg me, no, me no want you beg me. My money after me, my money after me. My money it after me, not you. Me, when me work on me. Me put in the work and get out the money. Pepsi, stop it. Pepsi. So people, if I hear a dog in the background,
I will pet dog.
Yeah, we have a pet
Zion.
dog, people.
I mean
yeah.
Pepsi.
Yeah, we love pets. So
yeah. So my turn now. Go on now. Go on with the beat. You know, say girl have to work. Girl have to work so she can be independent. Girl have to work so she can buy the ear, she can buy the makeup, she can buy the lash. Girl have to work so she look good. Girl have to work so she be independent. Girl have to work. Girl have to work. I'm signing out.
no, man. Lyrics are sharp, man. So peeps, the first round.
So people,
take the first round.
Take the first round.
Me and vote me.
Feel like I'm take the first round.
Alright, we're gonna slide it right
so
away.
So we are going to the next word. So the next word is TV.
TV. TV.
Ready?
Alright. For my news, me I watch my TV. For my game, me I TV. For me I watch my TV. My TV tell me.
So no, your time up. Don't bother with it. Your time is up.
Yo,
so guys, it's my time. Go on now.
Alright. Yeah, Alex.
You ready? People, I'm tired for watching news. I'm tired for watching TV. I'm tired of the murder. I'm tired of the crime. I'm tired of the violence. I'm tired.
No, I'm
tired. I'm tired for see woman I get raped. I'm tired for see the man I cut the throat. I say I'm tired. I say I'm tired. Lord, I'm tired.
So
I say I'm tired for watching TV. I'm tired for watching TV. I'm tired of it. The TV depress me. The TV depress me. The TV. Me say the TV depress me. I'm tired for watch the news on the TV. I'm tired. Me say me tired. Me say me tired.
Me not tired. Me not tired.
So guys,
Wow.
the other word is
Another word.
time.
Time.
Go hear me that? Yeah.
Time. Yo, I just say time. I just say time. No skelly and just time. No tomato, time. No onion, time. All the time. All the time. Love time. Love time. All the time. I just say time. Alright. Time for go to bed. Time for wake up, time for work, time for jerk. Yo.
Alright, people. In that third section, I tell you who wins. So my time for go now.
I want to take it, people.
So you
Me
ready?
give up. What will you now? Go on, time.
Time is money, Mr. Time is money. Then sure say, you don't know what time. Early go to work, time. Go to your bed, time. Run better, time. Time is money, Mr. Time is money. Take time and time. Time.
One next. One next. Food.
Yeah.
Food. Wanna? Come a foodie. Look how my belly big, come a foodie. Look how my chest big, come a foodie. I'm a hand big, come a foodie. Banana, dumpling, yam, Irish yam, dumpling, yam, mo want it. Guys, wanna, mo want it. Food, mo want it. Food, mo want it. That's the food. Gravy, make the food nice. Vegetable, make the food nice. Swallow it down with a little juice. Sometimes I choke on the dumpling.
Alright guys, tell me who in that section here. Tell me. So, my time for go now.
Come on.
Pepsi.
Yeah, people are Pepsi now. Ready now?
You know, say girl here love food. Sometimes she eat enough, sometimes she eat small bit. You know, say Silma's here eat enough. Food make girl sexy. Food make girl slim and trim. Food. Me say food. Girl them love it. Girl love her salt mackerel, love her dumpling. Love her rice, love her pork. Me say food. When me say food, me head hurt me. When me say food, me say me smile. When me say food, me say oh Lord. Me say food. Me say food. Me say food. So guys.
People.
So guys.
This is crazy, people.
If you enjoy this channel, if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, people. Thumbs up. Like the video.
Subscribe to the channel. I just want to say thanks to the Hastin family for actually come up with this challenge.
And people,
it's really fun. So guys, you can go ahead and join on to the challenge. So guys, they are going to post videos on their Instagram page. So you can go ahead, tag them on Instagram, the Hastin family.
Hastin people.
So
remember,
like, share and subscribe. Comment.
Big up the
Brother Herb.
No. Big up Brother Herb and the twins the Grand's twin. Big up the Grand's twin.
Yeah. So big them up. Go over them channel and support them, like them video. And tell them say BellsTv from Outer Jamaica.
Happy belated birthday to you. Me and you guys.
Happy belated birthday, guys.
Same month. Woo!
Yes, so remember guys, like the video, share the video, comments, and tell me who in that channel here.
Alright, the last one guys, it's going to be a wrap.
Oh,
She forgot about it.
We figured out one day,
She
guys.
got about it.
So,
she got about it. Got
you don't want to know. You don't want to know. One kind of bit. You know. So, you
tell
want
them sex.
the final video. Sex.
Yes.
Let's get
you go first, Yawana.
No,
yeah,
you.
we are switch it
no,
up.
babe,
we are switch it up.
first.
You go first and give me the flow on the start.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Me say sex. Always remember, use a condom when sexing. When sex. Sex enjoy. Sex decrease. Me say sex. Me say sex. Sex is enjoyment. Me say use your condom when having sex. Sex. Sex bring me come here. Sex bring him come here. Sex make we enjoy ourselves. Sex decrease stress. Sex decrease depression. Me say sex. Me say sex. Enjoy your sex in your young days. Enjoy your sex in your old days. Sex. Me say sex. Sex. Me say sex. Sex makes you slim and trim. Sex makes you fat and broad. Me say sex. Me say sex. Sex. Remember, guys, we use no condom when we're not having sex.
Go on. You can abstain to reach age.
Your time.
Yes, no
underage.
Sex in.
Have sex when you reach the age limits, and when you're using sex, when you're having sex, guys, use a condom.
Let's go. Give me reading, man. Hey, sex. Sex. Hey. Me love the sex. Me love the sex. Me the get. Good go sex. Sex. In the bed. Or put the girl. Coulda out a door. Me have to get the sex.
You know?
No underage sex. Use a condom. Sex. Oh, she have a bird. Sex. Me sex. Yeah.
Alright, guys, so there you have it. So guys, what you can let me tell you guys about the challenge. So you choose 5 words, in no matter what type of word you use, just choose the 5 words, and then you make up your song pan.
Yeah, you own a song, people, and have fun. So, as
I said, big up the Hastings family. Remember, guys, like the video, share the video, subscribe. Get this video to 1K.
Yeah, people.
And we are.
I'm just hold on, babe. That's what I say. Please stop violence against women.
Yeah.
Please, people, to get out of hand now and things. So remember, cut out the violence against women, man. You see me? And we could just love each other and live in a one. You see me? One love as a Bob Marley would say people. You see me? Cut off that. Yeah, let go that.
So remember, like, share, and subscribe, and we are out.
Boom.
Peace. Welcome back. Really?